Moikka ja... Oh. Tässä näet, niinku, mulla on se joko tälleen näin.
Joo.
Vai pitäisi tälleen... Ai, ootapa hetken. Ootapas nyt. Steady shot standard. Nyt tulee parempi kuuloskulma.
Joo.
Ja nyt ei. Ja sit ei kun pyörii.
No.
That's funny, because it's just the 22nd of September, right? 2023.
Thank you.
Probably the best that we knew of, but that wasn't filled yet.
Yeah.
Does it have 2-speed leveling or something?
Yeah, it looks like that.
Ooh.
The 1968 8-4-76.
Yeah, impressive.
Is it locked? But there,
It's locked.
but there is no lock. That's strange.
Try again. I must... Oh! It wasn't properly locked.
Mm.
That's common.
Yeah.
Wait, let me there a bit.
Yeah.
It's original.
Mm.
No, one.
Yeah.
Nice.
3 Porsche 240 kilograms.
See?
Expected by Kivans, maintained by Schindler.
You can go first.
Yeah.
I forgot to film on the up.
Yeah.
On the upwards ride, but you can do it later from 1 to 7.
Yeah.
I'll take 3 weights.
Now we put on the indicators.
And it
Yeah.
was built in 1960. It's going to be 65 years old in 2000.
It's 2-speed actually.
Yeah, and the simple stage 8%. Yes, I saw it. It's a bit faster on the 43.
Mm.
Right, that's right.
attached.